Good morning all, and may peace be upon you all. Today we will see quadratic equation exercise 10.3 and question number 8. We have solved question number 1 to 7 already. So I hope you all have practiced. Now let's move to question number 8. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. The total distance travelled by the train at a uniform speed is 360 km. Then he is saying speed had been 5 km more. If speed is 5 km more, that time speed will be x plus 5. The speed had been 5 km per hour more than the speed of the train. We have taken speed of the train as x. We have to find this value, speed of the train. This we have to find out. We don't know what is the speed of the train. So we have taken the speed of the train as x. When speed is 5 km more, that time speed will be x plus 5. Why plus? Because more word can be used as plus sign in the mathematical form. Now, let's move. We know speed is distance divided by time. And we know time is equal to distance divided by speed. Let's move. Time taken when speed is x, is equal to time is distance divided by speed. Time is distance divided by speed. So this will be equal to distance is 360 km, 360 divided by speed is x. Now time taken when speed is x plus 5. The same thing, distance divided by speed. Distance is 360 divided by speed. Now speed is x plus 5. X plus 5 is the speed. We know 360 divided by x is greater than 360 divided by x plus 5. When speed is more, that time will be less. So here time taken is more when 360 divided by x, and time taken will be less when speed is more. If we increase the speed, that time taken is less. What is saying? The difference in the time is 1. When 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. It means the difference between both is 1. Now I am writing according to the given. We can write, we know this is greater 360 divided by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5 is equal to 1. Why we have written this first and this is second? That is important because here time taken is more. That's why we are writing this first, and here time will be less. That's why we are writing after this one. Now we can take x into x plus 5 as LCM. X into x plus 5 as LCM. If x into x plus 5 is LCM, if we multiply here, x and x will get cancelled. Remaining is 360 into x plus 5 minus. When you multiply LCM here, x plus 5 and x plus 5 get cancelled. Remaining is 360 into x, which is equal to 1. Now multiply 360 into x will be 360x. Then plus 360 into 5 will be 1800. Then minus 360 into x will be as it is, divided by x into x is x square. Then x into 5 is 5x is equal to 1. Now plus 360 minus 360 get cancelled. Here only 1800 is remaining, and here x square plus 5x is remaining, that is equal to 1. Now multiply this value right hand side. Anything into 1 is anything. X square plus 5x is equal to 1800 as it is. We just cross multiply x square plus 5x into 1. That will be as it is. Now transfer 1800 to left hand side. X square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. This is in the form of quadratic equation. Now by comparing with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we can say a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 1800. Now let's do it by formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This minus as it is. Now value of b is 5, which will be minus 5 plus or minus under root of b square. B is how much? 5. 5 square is 25 minus 4 into value of a. A is how much? 1 into c. C is how much? Minus 1800. Whole divided by 2 into a. 2 into 1. This minus 5 as it is plus or minus under root of 25 as it is. Minus into minus is plus. Then 4 into 1800. 4 into 0 is 0. Again 4 into 0 is 0. 4 into 18 is 72. Divided by 2 ones of 2. Now again minus 5 as it is plus or minus under root of. This will be 25 plus 7200 will be 7225 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 5 as it is plus or minus. This is square root of 85. Okay. Under root 7225 will be 85 divided by 2. Now minus 5 plus 85 divided by 2, comma minus 5 minus 85 divided by 2. Now I will solve it here. Minus 5 plus 85 is plus 80 divided by 2, comma minus 5 minus 85 will be minus 90 divided by 2, which is equal to, I will write it down here. 2 ones are 2 fours are 0 as it is. So this will be 40, comma minus 90 divided by 2 minus 45. Now we have to consider the positive value, we have to neglect the negative value. Okay. So x is equal to 40. What is x? Is speed of the train. I have to write. We got the answer. Is speed of the train. Is speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. This is the speed of the. This is how we can find the speed of the train. I am explaining one more time. See carefully. First, we have written distance travel is given in the question. So we have written distance travel is equal to 360 kilometers. Then what is asking us to find the speed of the train? Speed of the train. So we have taken the speed of the train as x because we don't know what is the speed of the train. So we have taken it as x. Then what is given in the question? When the speed is 5 km more, when the speed is 5 km more, then the speed will be x plus 5. Then time taken, we know time is distance divided by speed. Time taken when speed is x. Time is distance by speed. Distance is 360 divided by speed is x. Now time taken when speed is x plus 5. 360 divided by x plus 5. This is greater. That's why we have written this first minus this one is equal to 1. This is how we have to solve the problem, and we got the answer as 40 km per hour. And one instruction, you all have to practice this 3 times to become perfect in it. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, or you can personally text me also, or WhatsApp me also. Thank you very much for listening to this lesson.